and welcome. I thought this would be a fun project to do with the holidays coming up and birthday parties. They're so easy to make. I just put the safety pin into the mesh and pull the rope through. Once that's done, I just wind it up, and as soon as, you could pin it if you want, but I just like to sew it into place. Seems easier to me using a wide zigzag stitch. If you use a smaller zigzag stitch, I believe it would be a tighter fit. But with the mesh, it really holds in well. I think I finally figured out a good angle for my camera. It's always hard to get it to be right where I want it. If you think this is a good angle, would you give me a thumbs up? You can make them any size you want. That's the fun part. I just tape it off just to hold everything in, cutting off most of the tape. Then, once it's all done, I didn't have any actual sticks, so I just used these. I painted them white first. I wanted to show how you do ribbon, to kind of play around with it. Can really dress up a package with that. And then I bought some clear plastic to go around it. I believe I got it at the Dollar Tree, but I'm sure Walmart has it. This would really dress up a table with all your food on there just for a centerpiece. And I did a bunch of different colors. I would love to hear what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.